So we have finished correlation topic. Next topic is nothing but regression. So correlation just gives the relation between any two variables, whereas regression gives the average mathematical relationship between any two variables. Okay, correlation gives just relation between any two variables, whereas regression gives the average mathematical relationship between the two variables. Let us see what is average mathematical relationship is. So using correlation we can get an idea that whether the two variables under study are correlated or not. So if you take we know if you take two variables x comma y, one of the variable is let us say expenditure and other variable is income. Clearly we know that these two are correlated. So if you calculate the correlation between these two variables x and y for the given data, we observe a valid value for r. So using correlation just we can decide whether those two are correlated or uncorrelated. But whereas using regression we can have the average mathematical relationship, that is nothing but we can obtain the relationship like this. Means here x and y are related and the relationship y is equal to a functional relationship between those two variables, maybe this linear or non-linear. So what is the advantage of this regression is nothing but regression not only tells that those two variables are correlated, but also it helps you to predict the value of one variable for the given value of the other variable. The same example we have considered expenditure and income. So once they are correlated, you can obtain the regression between those two variables. Clearly here expenditure is dependent on income. We know that as income increases, there is a chance that expenditure also increases. If income decreases, also the expenditure decreases. So we say that a positive correlation between these two variables. Using regression, if at all if you can find out the average relationship between these two variables, you can estimate the value of one variable for the given value of the other variable. That is, whenever the income is so and so, like that 40, if the annual income of the person is say 4 lakhs, what will be the expenditure of that family? Or otherwise, if the monthly income of the family is 40,000, what will be the expenditure of the that family? So using the regression concept, not only we can find out the mathematical relationship between them, but also we can predict the value of one variable for the given value of other variable. So whenever we have two variables, let us say that we have two variables x and y. X we are calling as the variable income. Let us say x is the variable which indicates income, y indicates expenditure. So we observe a dependency between these two variables. Clearly expenditure is dependent on income, so y is called dependent variable. X is called independent variable. So whenever a variable depends on the other variable, the one which depends is called the dependent variable and the other variable is called the independent variable. So the other name for this dependent variable is nothing but effect. This is called cause, means this causes a effect on the variable y. So here x is called cause. The other name for independent variable is cause. For dependent variable is effect. And also independent variable is also called as, in the other names for independent variables are explained variable, and dependent variable is nothing but explanatory variables. So the major difference between correlation and regression is correlation just gives an idea about the relationship between the variables, whereas regression gives the average mathematical relationship which helps us to identify the value of one variable for the given value of the other variable. So among these two variables, one of the variable is called dependent variable and the other variable is called independent variable. So the other names for dependent and independent variables are cause, effect and explained and explanatory variables. So the major difference between these two is we observe a two gender in correlation. Simply we are calling it's a relation between two variables, whereas under regression we are identifying one of the variable as dependent variable and the other as the independent variable. So this is about correlation and regression. Okay, thank you.